Hey y'all, what's up? I am back. I want to come in and check in with y'all. I have a lot of things going on, and y'all will see later. We gonna talk about what's going on with some little renovations that I'm doing, and it's been quite a bit of work. Okay, but anyway, I just wanted to kind of just pop in because everybody wants some clear skin. Okay, baby, everybody want that. And I just wanted to, I ordered from Glow Melanin. I've been seeing it all over my social media, everywhere. And maybe because I went on the site and the algorithm called it. Anywho, I caved in, okay, baby? I caved in and I tried the turmeric soap or whatever. So I just kind of wanted to come in and just kind of show y'all and do like a little unboxing. This is how it came. This is how it came. And yeah, y'all, I am excited to try it. I can't really give no review of it right now because I just got it. It just came in the mail. It just got dropped off. But I'm gonna do like a little bit of an unboxing. Let me show y'all what came. Okay, I got the two bars. I couldn't just get one just in case I liked it. Just in case I really, really liked it, I needed to have one on standby, okay? Let me go ahead and I'm gonna smell it because I feel that it has a bit of a fragrance to it. So here we go. So as I was pulling this out of the packaging, I could immediately smell it's like a citrusy smell, very energizing. And I really feel like I'm really going to enjoy this one because I do like those type of scents for myself and in my skincare products. So yeah, y'all, I'm going to keep y'all updated and see if it helps. This is another home video, and I just kind of wanted to come in and give y'all updates. This is like what home owning and what comes with it and what you, the things you have to take care of that you don't necessarily have to like worry about any other time, but when you own your home, you do. So things come up. And basically I had a whole plumbing situation to go on, and it has been giving me a headache. And so on a brighter side of things, I get to redo my bathroom and I get to redo my bedroom. So I'm gonna just kind of show y'all a little bit of what's going on and what I've been having to do, child. Like, whoo, okay. And the thing about it, like a lot of these things, I'm like, I'm just a girl. Like, I'm just a girl. Like, how do I do this? But I have been really thankful to be able to lean on like family members and like some friends that really know how to help me take care of some of these things. But everybody know like it's always some shit, okay? It's always something. But anyway, anywho, I'm gonna show y'all a little bit. Of what your girl kind of been having to deal with. But anyway, I had to go and get some paint, and I'm going to paint my room, bathroom, everything. And that's going to be a task. I was supposed to do that today. You work the whole week. You want your time down, your time to rest and to relax and not really do housework. So I might probably just start it tomorrow on a Sunday. So we'll see how I'm feeling. But anyway, I got an Arcade White by Behr. So it's not really a white, it's kind of like a gray white. It kind of go with the theme a little bit of what I've been going on in my living room, because my living room is more like a gray. And I just like those type of tones. I like those type of tones or whatever in my home, that neutral kind of look with the grays and your whites and your silvers and stuff like that. It just, I don't know. I like it, okay? I do have, you see these back here. I got these actually from Amazon. You see that? Aren't they so, you see that? You get some good finds off Amazon, okay, baby? That's a $15 every month. That's well worth it, okay? Can't nobody make me turn that Amazon Prime away, okay? But anyway, I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of the paint that I got. This is some of the paint that I got, y'all. I was able to, you know, just being a good freaking person, I was able to get a good discount on this. So yeah, this is Arcade White is what we're gonna be doing in my room and in the bathroom, and just kind of redoing some things, y'all. It needs it. Like, yeah, I got some things that I wanted to work on that I mentioned earlier. Is I have to get new flooring. I have to do all of that. So I picked the flooring. I think I got to run it by my dad, because he's the one who's going to do the flooring for me. I have to make sure it's the right one. Okay, because baby, I don't be knowing what I be looking at sometimes. It just, if it look up, like, okay, you got to factor in size and measuring and square foot and all that. So this is definitely, this home improvement has definitely been like a journey, but I know it's a rewarding journey, because you want to be able to have something where, yeah, it may not be like the brand spanking new or new build, but at the same time, like some of the older places have character, and it has things that stand out about it, and you're able to like really kind of make it your own. And that's what I'm excited for. I'm choosing to look at all of this as optimistically as I can. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of this darn room, y'all. All right, you guys, so you can see that that's gonna be an issue. We gotta get that fixed, because when I had the water mitigation place come, they came out too far. So we're gonna have to thug it. We're gonna have to really like figure out a way to make this where it blends seamlessly. But this is my flooring, you guys. Like, I have just got some new drywall installed by a good friend of mine who really did a really good job. I had some paint, this is my ladder for paint that I'm gonna start. So I got some ways to go, you guys, on this, but we gonna get it done. We gonna get it done. So yeah, like, I kind of hate coming in here a little bit because it's so chalky and stuff. But yeah, like, you guys, I got my work cut out for me. Like, this is the restroom where I have to get a new vanity. It's just a lot of little work. Well, not little. It's a lot of work, but I'm excited. I'm ready to get this done. I'm ready to have this a new look going on in here. Yeah, I want to get like this wallpaper, this ugly ass wallpaper down. So it's coming along, and I'm gonna you know, try to make it my point to keep y'all updated. Make it a point to keep y'all updated on what I got going on as far as this home. I haven't even begun to be able to start on the outside in the backyard, but I will. So yeah, y'all pray my strength, okay? That everything will pan out. But yeah, y'all, that's it. I kind of want to check in and let y'all know what I've been having going on. I'm ready to go back on another cruise. I'm so ready to go back on another cruise. I have that Carnival Cruise Hub app on there that you use when you're on there, and I'm like, damn, like, I really want to have something to look at. I really need an itinerary on this bitch, okay? So, but anyway, I'll talk to y'all later, y'all. Y'all let me know. Give me some suggestions or whatever about some of this home improvement, I guess, from what I've shown y'all. Anywho, bye.